All right, let's try this second question here. Z is a circumcenter. Circumcenters are they are going to be perpendicular bisectors all meeting. So each one of these is a perpendicular bisector. So if this is 80, each of these would be 40. 80 divided by 2, that's a 4, 40. Perpendicular bisector 25, this would also be 25. I don't have this one. In fact, the only other thing I have is this 9 right here. And so we got to find some missing measurements. So let's start off here with the first thing asked for, QR. QR is this whole big long segment here. 25 plus 25 is 50. RZ, don't have RZ. XS, right there, 40. ZS, don't have that one either. But ZS would be the same as RZ. Okay, so this one and this one, they're going to be the same measurement because a circumcenter is the same distance away from each of the vertices. Okay. WZ is the last one here. Where's W? WZ. So we're also going to have to find this one right here. So let's start with RZ, ZS. They'll be the same thing. We just need to use one of these triangles that we know some measurements for to find that. So let's do that first. Let's see here. Let's start with, oh, here we go. Grab my highlighter. Let's start with this right triangle right here. Okay, got that right triangle right there. All right, so to find the missing side of this right triangle, we've got a leg here is 9, the other leg is 40, so we're going to do 9 squared plus 40 squared equals, and this missing side here will be x equals x squared. So 9 squared plus 40 squared, I'm actually just going to square both those, add them together on my calculator, and that comes up to 1681 equals x squared. And then take the square root of both sides. Let's see, the square root of 1681 is 41. Exactly. Oh, that came out nice. So this is 41. That was a perfect square. So that came out exactly as 41. All right, so we have this as 41 now. And the next thing that we need to find is WZ, which, since I now know that this is 41, I can use it in this right triangle. So let's go ahead and grab my highlighter again. And let's look at this right triangle. And this right triangle right here, okay, we've got a leg, 25, and we got this other leg, right, we're trying to find. And this 41 is the hypotenuse. So we're going to go x squared plus 25 squared, those are the two legs, equals the hypotenuse squared. In this case, it is 41. So 25 squared is 625, x squared plus 625. 41 squared is, 1,681, right? 1,681. Going to subtract this 625 from both sides. And we get x squared equals, and this would be 1,056. And then the square root of both sides. Square root of 1,056. 32.49, so it'll be 32.5. 32.49 is 32.5. And there we have the answer to that one. And so that's how we work out problem number 2.